Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing a 21 Pilots inspired tutorial. So I'm going to start by brushing my eyebrows. Now I'm going in with my Benefit Cosmetics Precisely My Brow Pencil. And I'm just going to start with the bottom of my eyebrow, doing hair-like strokes. So now I'm going in with my Benefit Cosmetics Brow product. I'm not exactly how to classify this one as a gel or a powder or a cream. I don't know. So, but I'm just going to kind of outline my eyebrows to define them, and then I'm going to go in with my Benefit Cosmetics Goof Proof Brow Pencil. I'm just going in with that to fill in my eyebrows. And I did go back and use a little bit of the brow product around the edges just to make it a slightly more even color. So now, before I do anything else, I'm going with my Benefit Cosmetics Professional Primer just to give it time to set in before I start using concealer or anything like that on my skin. So in between that and my next product, I'm going in with my Benefit Cosmetics Gimme Brow Gel just to finish off the eyebrows. And yeah. Now I'm going in with my Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer, and I'm just going to carve out my eyebrows. So I did blend this out with a beauty sponge, but I did not show it on camera. And then I just took some of my Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer and put it on my eyes and blended it out just to give myself a fresh base for eyeshadow. And I'm starting off with my Jaclyn Morphe palette again, and I started in with the shade Abyss, which is the black down in that corner, and just kind of started on the outer I guess V of my eye, and blended it out into the crease and out just a little bit. And then I went in with the yellow shade. I'll list that shade down in the description below because I do not remember it right now. And I just finished the inner crease of my eye and then went through and blended it out. It took me about 5 minutes to blend this out. So then I went in with a brown shade as more of a transition shade and just kind of went on the outside of that black, and then I blended that out as well. So now I'm going with my ColourPop Loose Pigment in Fool For You, and I sprayed a little bit of water from a spray bottle on the brush before I dipped it into the pigment, and then I'm applying it on the inner to mid eyelid. Now I'm using ColourPop Cosmetics new liquid eyeliner, and I'm going to do my eyeliner off camera. And then I'm going to go in with my Becca Cosmetics under eye brightener and just apply that under my eyes and blend it out with my concealer beauty sponge. There's really no difference. I just have a set sponge for concealer because of the darker color correcting products I use, like the Dragon Beauty Perfecting Potion. Because I don't want it to mix with my foundation sponge, because then it does show through if it's on top. But so I just applied this to my skin, where I had any gray areas or shadow. And I blended it out with my concealer sponge. Now I'm going with my LA Girl Pro Matte Foundation in the shade Nude, and I'm just going to dab that onto my skin with my beauty sponge. And I did not go right under my eyes with it because less is more under my eyes because my skin is so textured. So I just waited until I went in with my Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer, and that covered up the rest of the Dragon Beauty product on its own. So now I'm going in with my Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer in a darker shade. I believe it's in the shade Cappuccino. And I went ahead and contoured my cheeks, and then I'm doing my forehead here just to finish off that. And then I'm going in with my ColourPop bronzer, and I'm just going to use the same contour brush and just apply that. Just give it a little bit more dimension. And then I'm going in with my ColourPop Super Shock blush. I just applied this with my fingers today, just because my cheeks a little bit more of a rosy color. So I'm going with my Dragon Beauty powder, and I'm using the bottom shade in the palette. I'm just applying that under my eyes. It works great for setting your makeup, I believe, and it just brightens up your face. So I went back in with that shade, the yellow shade from the palette, and went under my eyes with it, just to finish off the eyes. And then I'm going in with this Glitterly Obsessed from ColourPop Cosmetics in the shade Puffin, or in the color, I guess. And it's a wet glitter that technically is not supposed to be used around eyes, but I did it anyway. So I did my brow bone with it, and my inner corner and my cheeks, just like I would use for highlighter. Now I'm going in with this Falsies mascara, I believe from Maybelline, and I did that off camera. And then I'm going with my Morphe setting spray, just to kind of complete and set everything that's on my face. And I did go a little overboard because it doesn't feel like there's as much coming out of the can as there is. And so now the finishing touch, I'm going with my ColourPop Luxe Lip Velvet Blur lipstick, and just applying that like you would any lipstick. And that's the final look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you next time. Bye!